So this is a differences based question. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें detritus food chain और grazing food chain के बीच के differences बताने हैं. So we'll make two columns, and in the two columns, in the left column we will note down the grazing food chain, and in the right column we'll note down the points of the detritus food chain. So as you can see, these are the following factors on which I'll be explaining the differences. सबसे पहला factors जिसपे difference देखा जा सकता है, it is the source of energy. The source of energy for the grazing food chain is very different from that of the detritus food chain. Similarly, second point of difference between the two types of food chain is the size of the population. Third differentiating point is कि starting material क्या है इन दोनों food chain की. Fourth point is some examples of both types of food chains. Fifth point of difference is कि energy status क्या है, क्या energy requirement है इस food chain में या energy release हो रही है इस food chain में. And the last point of difference is कि जो organisms involved हैं इन food chains में उनकी size क्या है, क्या all of them are microorganisms या some are microorganisms and the rest are macro यानी कि large organisms. Alright. So in a grazing food chain, the source of energy is the sun, whereas in a detritus food chain, the source of energy is dead organic matter. Okay, the size of population in a grazing food chain is very large, whereas in detritus it is small. The static matter in a grazing food chain is the plants, and in the detritus it is the detritus or decayed matter. Example, the best example I can show here is that of a plant ecosystem. Plant ecosystem में you can see कि grazing food chain starts with the producer, that is the plant. Okay, the plants are consumed by the herbivores, that is the primary consumer, and the herbivores are consumed by the carnivores, that is the secondary consumer. ये grazing food chain का example है. Similarly, अगर हम detritus food chain की बात करें तो everything starts with the detritus. Detritus is nothing but the dead, decaying organic matter of dead plants and animals. तो detritus पे feed करते हैं detrivores यानी कि earthworms, bacteria and fungi. अब इन detrivores पे कौन feed करता है? Larger organisms such as predators. Energy status की बात करें तो इस केस में energy release होती है, और इस केस में in the grazing food chain energy is released, and in the case of a detritus food chain energy is utilized. ठीक है. Why we say energy is released? Because photosynthesis होती है. Photosynthesis जब होती है तो glucose बन रहा है, that is consumed by all higher organisms, तो energy is released. जब detritus food chain की बात करते हैं तो dead organisms are being decayed, तो energy is being utilized. All right. And last point is organism size. So as far as organism size is concerned, in the case of the grazing food chain खाली macroorganisms हैं, चाहे वो plants हो, herbivores हो या carnivores हो. But in the case of detritus food chain, there is involvement of both macroorganisms यानी कि large organism as well as the microorganism. मैक्रो में आ गए आपके जो डेड प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स के मैटर हैं, एज वेल एज योर प्रेडेटर्स हैं, और माइक्रो में आ गए जो एक्चुअली डेट्रीवोर्स हैं यानी कि बैक्टीरिया एंड फंगा हैं. ऑलराइट.